scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Derivative to series questions get easy fast when you expand, multiply, then integrate. And this one lands cleanly on the Maclaurin terms in under a minute. Start with the known Maclaurin series for e to the negative x squared. 1 minus x squared plus x to the fourth over 2. Then keep enough terms for 3 non-zero answers. Now multiply that series by the extra x squared from f prime. So every power shifts up by 2, and f prime becomes x squared minus x to the fourth plus x. Integrate term by term to recover f, giving x cubed over 3 minus x to the fifth over 5 plus x to the seventh over... Well done! Option A. Scan now, watch signs, and avoid rushing. Trust the given derivative, then check each step after integrating.